to our video. Today, we'll be highlighting the fascinating experiment of squeezing toothpaste on ginger and its incredible uses in daily life. Let's dive right in and explore the magic of this combination. Toothpaste is an essential part of our daily oral care routine, but it has many more magical uses beyond cleaning our teeth. Paired with ginger, a common kitchen condiment, the effects are truly powerful. Let's see what happens when we combine these seemingly unrelated items. First, we clean the ginger and grate it into foam, releasing its nutrients effectively. Then, we mix ordinary toothpaste with water and stir it well. This creates a powerful solution that not only enhances the cleaning effect, but also removes unwanted odors. A ginger toothpaste solution serves as an excellent air freshener for your refrigerator. Place it inside to eliminate odors and keep your fridge smelling fresh and clean. Change the solution every 2 weeks for optimal results. Using the solution as a range hood cleaner is a game changer. Spray it on the range hood, let it soak for a few minutes, and then wipe away the stubborn oil stains with ease. Your range hood will look brand new and spotless. This ginger toothpaste solution is a mild and effective insecticide for indoor plants. Spray it on the leaves or flowers with pests, and the pungent ginger odor will deter pests while promoting healthy plant growth. No more struggling with stubborn scale on metal surfaces. Spray the solution on metal faucets or other surfaces. Wait a few minutes and wipe away the scale effortlessly. Your metal items will shine like new again. Toothpaste and ginger form a powerful duo with multiple practical uses in daily life. From air fresheners to insecticides and scale removers, this homemade solution is safe, effective, and eco-friendly. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you found it useful, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care.